Okay, so in this case, you are doing it alone without anyone's help. Let's see what you will do. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. If it is an examination, you have failed. You have failed because first of all, you have to make sure the motorbike is on free gear, and as you leave it at first gear, it was there. You understand? And secondly, you did not press the clutch cable or button before starting the motorbike or whatever it is. Very good. So press the clutch, don't off it. Press the clutch, then bring the lever up. Bring it up. So you use your leg under you. Yes, bring it up. Bring it. Try. Press the clutch harder because you Good. So leave everything. Let's see. So now it is on neutral, and because of that the wheels are not spinning. I hope you have released your leg from the brake. Very good. Let's go and check before you lie to us. Thank you very much. So what you do is that you press the clutch. This is the clutch. The upper one is the clutch. Press it harder. Press it. Very good. Then you press on the gear lever down. Thank you very much. Now release your leg from it. Then you begin to release your hand a bit by bit from the clutch cable. Release your hand a bit by bit, a bit by bit, a bit by bit. That is all. You are now on first gear. So if you want to accelerate, you just accelerate from the right side. Thank you. So if you want to change for the second gear, you press the clutch again, then you press the gear down again, making it second gear, because I've already made you understand that all the gears are down gears. That is all. Thank you very much. All right.